Welcome to PyTech. My name is Eddie Yadav, founder and CEO of PyTech. Guys, today I'm going to explain you about home automation using TV remote and Arduino. With the help of this project, you will understand how to control your home appliances with the help of TV remote. Once you successfully watch this video till the end, you are capable or you are able to control your home appliances with this project. So stay tuned and keep watching the video till the end. So let's get to start the working of this video. So for developing of this project, here is the list of component which is I am going to use in this project. The first component that's a very important component of the project, Arduino Uno with cable, TSOP sensor. This is the kind of the sensor actually we are using series, that is 1838 series, okay, and the relay module, 5-volt relay module we are using. This is relay module is help you out to control your AC devices, breadboard for connecting the components, AC bulb to show our output, how we are going to controlling, bulb holder, TV remote to providing command from input side of user, screwdrivers, connecting wires and electric wires. So these are the few components which will help you out to develop this project. Let's start the connections. In first step, we are going to connect a TSOP sensor with Arduino. For the connection of TSOP sensor, take a breadboard and Arduino and TSOP sensor and few connecting wires. First, we need to place the TSOP sensor into the breadboard. Once you successfully place the TSOP sensor in breadboard, then connect TSOP sensor with Arduino as according to the given circuit. Once you did the connection successfully, then we need to connect the USB cable with Arduino and laptop to power up the circuit. After the connection of TSOP sensor, we need to program the Arduino to find out the value of remote keys. Just because of reason we do not have idea what the value of remote keys have, just because we have a different keys in remote. So we need to fix it out two different keys and find out the value of keys. To find out the value of keys, here is a code. We need to upload this code in the Arduino. Once you successfully upload the code, then open serial monitor and take a remote and power up the Arduino, and in front of the TSOP sensor, press the key of remote. You will find out the values on serial monitor with respect to the keys. Each and every keys having different values, different addresses. We are fixing out two different values. It means we are choosing two key to operate the device, first key to on the circuit and second to off the circuit. Copy both keys and save in laptop. I am going to save both keys in my notepad file, and the code having two different sections. In this code you will find out two different if statement. Under the if statement, condition value, in the value section you need to update both different keys separately and save it and recompile again. Once the recompilation is successfully done, then upload the code in Arduino for checking the value of remote keys and the putting the value of remote keys. Both are two different codes, different programs, right? I will providing you both programs in the description link. Just go through with that and find out both codes, okay? In first code, you can find out the values of remote keys, okay? And in another codes, you can put it out the both keys value in remote, and with the help of second code, you can control your device. So these are two different codes. So after successfully updating the keys in code and uploading the code in Arduino, we need to connect the relay module and the bulb in the circuit. So here is the connections. Take a relay module and bulb holder. Connect the bulb holder with relay and connect the relay pins with Arduino and power as according to the given circuit. As I earlier told you, the circuit is available in description link. The till time I am connecting the circuit, please do share the channel and like and hit the bell icon. So I am done the connection successfully. After the successful connection, connect the bulb with bulb holder and plug the bulb wire into AC socket or electric socket and take a remote. Make sure that your Arduino is plug in your laptop and the AC connections will be connected in electric points. So guys, before going to power up your bulb and Arduino board, make sure that your body is away from electric points and electric wires, okay? Maybe it's chance to get if your body is in contact of electric wires, you get a shock from electric voltage, okay? So keep away your body from electric points, okay? Then take a remote. So after performing these all tasks, let's get to check the working of the project. And for the working, take a remote and power on the AC bulb and Arduino and press the keys which is final from your side. I am finaling this both key which is I already discussed you in the previous time. So whenever you pressing the key in front of the sensor, the bulb goes to on and that is continuously on, and after you are pressing the second key or you press the second key, the bulb goes to off. It means the one key is working to on the bulb and the second key will help you out to off the circuit. So this is the working of the project. If you like this video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.